yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light.
Okay, I'm here.
You just see me part of the band.
I'm in the band.
Wow.
Delta Goodrem. That is unbelievable.
Woo! Hang on in there. Okay, so I have been tasked with putting on Friendsmas, and it's no secret that I do not know my way around a kitchen. So I have called in the big guns. Oh, here he is! Hey!
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
It's good to see you.
Thank you so much for helping me out.
My pleasure. So who are you cooking for?
I'm cooking for all my mates. They're all my school mates. We
Yep.
get together every year.
That's awesome.
And this year I'm hosting.
I love that you're incredible in so many ways.
Thank
You're
you.
an Aussie superstar, but you have no idea in the kitchen.
When I look in the kitchen, it's a very different language, and I know
Right.
my strengths, and this is not it.
Well, I got
So,
you.
thank you.
So today, what I thought we'd make, because your friends are going to love this. By the way, you can sit down and eat it formally, or
Yeah.
you can pass it around. It's totally up to you.
I love that. I'm very kind of communal like that. It's
Yeah.
like get my hands dirty, get into it.
Barbecued lamb chops,
Amazing.
eggplant-tahini puree, and then like a tomato and olive salad, and it all works so beautifully together.
Yeah, that sounds incredible.
Okay, let's get into it.
Perfect.
So, I also decided that we do something that we intentionally burn and char. So
You know what? That's right up my alley.
can't get it wrong.
I've done a flame here before.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have. You know, in Instagram they do those make your place smell nice.
Yeah.
I put some water and some cinnamon and some orange, put it to boil, walked away, came back, flames.
So you tried to boil some spices
Yep.
to make the room smell nice.
Yeah.
Not to cook.
No, just to make the room smell
And you
nice.
put that on fire.
And I caught it on fire. Check.
Get it all out.
See,
Get it
I'm already
all out.
sous chef.
Yes.
Paprika.
Spices. Yep, that's cumin. Pine
Pine
nuts.
nuts.
The only thing that takes a minute with this is the eggplant. So grab a fork
Yes.
and you just go like this and poke it. Don't stab yourself.
That's not as easy as
Yeah, get into it. You really need to cook them all the way through.
my kind of vegetable.
I thought you'd like it.
Don't take that the wrong way, peoples. I'm aware of what emoji this is.
So what we're going to do with our eggplant
Yep.
is we're going to stick it on under the grill. They're in for about half an hour all in.
Oh, okay.
You're going to tell your friends, I did cook dinner.
All right, that's good. Okay. Hi, little eggplants.
So let's marinate the lamb chops. Olive oil, so go ahead and pour it in. Right, dust away. You've got cumin and coriander there. So I always sort of think, just think about those flavors. So you don't want too much.
Okay, right.
Yeah,
It smells amazing. I'm already feeling proud.
Don't get too excited. Not
Okay.
yet. No. So you can season it with a little salt, little black pepper. I'm going to check on our eggplants just to make sure they're not on fire.
Gotta turn them on.
They're looking
Over.
good, looking good. But then all you
Okay.
do here, go both
Yeah.
sides and then just stack them up. What was Christmas like for you?
Oh, I love Christmas. My parents just put on such beautiful Christmases for us. My brother and I wake up early and Santa had visited, so normally there was carrots and snow on our lawn out the front, and we play cricket and we go for swims, and very, very sporty and active.
And what was on the menu?
It was hams and prawns and oysters and things, but very seafoody. And,
Yeah. So I'm just going to sit them back here. Next we can make the tomato salad.
Like, it looks so good having the different colours.
It's true, right?
Like, I'm like, oh wow, that makes such an elevated difference to the dish.
And then you take that finely diced shallot and toss it over your tomatoes.
That looks beautiful.
So why don't you sprinkle a little salt? And then the two liquids we add are red wine vinegar and olive oil. Go for it.
Oh, is that too much?
A bit more.
Let's do one drizzle at a time.
One drizzle at a time. Yeah, that's it.
I got over.
I did like the little jingle that you added in there.
Is that enough?
Yeah, it's good.
A bit more, maybe.
I'll give you a little tossy toss.
See, it's imprinted in my mind. Just keep going.
Just keep going. A little bit extra.
Keep extra, bit more here, you know? Oh, that looks good. It's just...
Bit more.
Oh, okay.
He's stingy.
Oh, right.
Okay, all right, that's good. That's good. I've got one more secret for you though. Smoked paprika.
Delicious.
You're a tea towel hog. Look how many towels you've got. I've got none. You've got 3.
Haters gonna hate.
Pine nuts. I've just toasted them, so just sprinkle those on.
I don't want my friends to think I'm stingy on the pine nuts.
No. Gorgeous. You did it.
Woo!
All right, we have the eggplants.
Okay.
They are looking brilliant. And we're just going to take that beautiful white eggplant and stick it straight into a strainer. Who does the dishes?
50-50.
Is that the truth?
Yeah, that's true. I'm good at cleaning up, right, babe?
See how silent it was?
He's not there? Oh, he's not here.
Oh no, he's there. He's just shaking his head. He's like, what I want you to do is add all of that in here.
Yep.
A spoon of the tahini. That's it.
One of these?
Yeah, that'll do. And then salt and pepper, little olive oil.
In here, right?
Yeah.
I just realised
No,
I was...
over your shoulder.
Just got to double check these things. All right.
And you can let it go until it's totally smooth. You can leave it chunky. It's totally up to you.
I feel like puree gets it a bit more fancy, right?
Yeah. Have a taste.
That tastes good.
Oh man.
Yeah. I feel
That's
good
delicious.
about that.
I'm proud of you. So the last thing to do is cook the lamb chops. So just space them out, probably 4 at a time. So this is where you can let your artistic side run wild. You are in charge creatively.
I'm letting the... I heard
Cynical
some
cough.
scoffs.
Was that a scoff?
It was a scoff.
I tell you what, that's like a beautiful looking eggplant puree.
Thank
right
you
there.
so much, Curtis.
So I get a separate tray and we're going to let them rest before we put them onto the serving platter. So,
Okay.
I'm in your creative hands.
Even with food, I was always quite hands. You know, those medieval places where you go
Yeah.
and eat with your hands. My mum and dad were always like, "Oh, hang on, I've got to concentrate." Sorry, I'm making a piece of art here.
Look at the concentration. That's in hysterics behind there.
I'm feeling confident. I think he's actually just worried that I'm going to become the chef of the house with my first signature dish.
Okay, that's enough. I'm going to stop you.
Okay.
The last thing is you can just sort of scoop these up and just drizzle them over the top.
On the top?
Yeah.
All right, just let it go.
Just
Let
let
me
it go.
free.
Just let the music play.
Let the music play. The symphony will play. Wow, this looks so
My
beautiful.
God, Delta, it looks beautiful.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Delta Goodrem. That is unbelievable. Woo!
Hang on in there.
Get it.
Oh, hang on.
Perfectionist. There's only one thing that's really exciting
Yes.
and left to do. Christmas cheese.
Cheers.
Boing.
So good.
And if you want to know what's for dinner, just go to coles.com.au and check out all my recipes right there.
Technically, my friends think it's my recipe.
This is
So
your recipe.
go to Coles for my recipe. Maybe I can teach you a song to go back home with.
Let's go.
Chopsticks. Actually, I don't even know how to play chopsticks. Thank you so much for coming over and
kidding?
helping me with Friendsmas. And yeah, you're amazing.
You're so welcome. I want photos. I want to see how it turns out.
Done. I guess I'll get some Christmas songs on. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart